Using my camera too, let's check out the quality. Gonna be awesome, of course. So we are learning the handstand today, girls. I mean, actually I was going to learn, we're going to learn the, how do you call it? The shoulder man, but I'm still sore from the back day, so we might change it for the next time, but I'm coming up with a nice combo, so much you check it out. But the beginning should have been different. Let me try again. Alright, today we are trying a cute handstand combo, which I haven't finished yet, but still learning. Fuck, anjing. Fuck. We're learning a handstand combo today, so if you're up, you can join. You might do some shoulder mount training too, but today or maybe next time. So far it was like this. So I want to there's no way to descend from this like that. Damn, how to do that? Okay, this part we figured out. Now this. Wait, like this? It's not feeling good, man. Wait, maybe do like this. Still not feeling good. Wow. We are still figuring out the handstand combo. That's something I want to do. So the beginning is going well. The beginning going well, but I want to do some like special ending, but no luck yet. But wait, no, not like this. You need to really see like this and then this. Yeah, I really want to do this standing. You understand? Like the bridge. Just need to figure out how to comfortably do this so that my shoulders are doing well. Because all the concern about them. We are still figuring out if this is gonna work. Yes, like this, but nicer. Fuck. Okay, I figure out the higher we do the hook, the better chances to do this handstand. Fuck. The beginning must be nicer. Like this. Yes. So here higher. Fuck. This is my a little bit damaged, I mean still recovering side, so gotta be gentle with that. Whew. Shoulder injuries are no joke in pole dancing. Let me know if you need any video. Oh my god, it's a mess in my room. I like the idea that like if you had a heavy pull, I mean the pull last time, then the next your pole practice better to be push based to balance the muscles and avoid injuries. Nice. Something like this, but without toes. Wiping the sweat. We don't want sweat. We don't want it. But we want a nice grip. Still sucky a little bit. How to make it stable? Let's keep trying. I think it's good. Now it's good. Other side must be also good. Not bad. My back is sore and stiff today after gym 2 days ago, so I feel like a grandma. So let's try to make it. Fuck. Wait, I need to this way. Okay, 2 more times and I finish for today. Okay. Fuck. Fuck. This side sucks. I'm done. I'm so tired. Fuck. I can't do this anymore. But I'm pretty satisfied because, you know, I've came up with some nice combo. And girls, let me know if you like the videos like this, like if you want to see my process of how I'm learning new like how I'm making new combinations, how I'm learning new tricks. If you want me to make me tutorial on any of those on the tricks that obviously I can do, then if you want me to share my warm-up routine or how I condition my body for the pole dance, just let me know in the comments, right? And subscribe, of course. Okay, next time we are gonna do the shoulder mount tutorial, okay? Because I see a lot of my videos. I mean, a lot of people like find out that the shoulder mount is like the most searchable on my channel. So yeah, I might as well make a tutorial. So see ya, girls.